Redneck edition.
I like the bus flash.
Yeah, I do too. That's one of my favorite things about the truck. Guy in Louisiana.
Why does it have that fancy?
Good morning. Good, how are you? Looking good?
Well, it's dirty as all get out. I just got here last night.
That's all right. That's all right. You know, not to leave you out, I'm going to give you a microphone if you don't mind. Step into the shade. And you can give us a quick rundown on the truck. I was doing a live stream earlier. We're still streaming live, but when I came around earlier, your truck wasn't here. So I was about to end the stream, and I looked in this direction. I'm like, well, we got one more truck to get on camera. So introduce yourself, where you're from, and what you got.
My name is David Pitre. I am from West Monroe, Louisiana. And I'm driving a 2002 Peterbilt that's been completely redone by Michael Trahan in Louisiana. It's got a 105 double eagle and 6NZ cat, 18-speed transmission, 336 gears, 323 wheelbase.
It's set up right.
Yes, sir.
How many miles you got on it?
I have, since I put it on the road, I got about right at 25,000.
Okay. How long have you owned it for?
I've been owning the truck for a long time, but we just put the truck on the road at Louisville this year.
Very nice. Is the inside camera ready where we can take a peek? That looks great from here. Just, I always love it when a door's open and you look inside and it just presents so well. That looks great.
Randy did spare time, did the interior. Rockwood's floor, dash panels.
What do you haul with the truck?
I do cars, enclosed car trailer.
Okay.
Leased to Intercity out of Massachusetts.
This looks really good. I've never seen the inside of it. Maybe it's just the white accents on the dash that makes it looks really spacious for some reason. Like there's a lot more room in it for some reason. I know it's the same dimensions, but it looks, white does that sometimes in some areas.
If you want to take a shot at the bunk, you can, Chris.
Okay. Mind if I step on the steps?
Sure.
Okay. Tell us about the bunk while the camera's pointed back there.
Say it again.
Tell us about the bunk while the camera's pointed in that direction.
It's a double eagle. It's 105, the length of it, and it's been totally redone by ATG in LaGrange, Indiana.
Very nice. What amenities do you have?
It has I have a shower, full shower, bathroom, toilet, microwave, convection oven, sink. It has everything.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Cool. You can step into the shade. How long you been driving for?
I've been driving since I was 21 years old, and I'm 58. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
You seen a thing or two?
Yes, sir.
Been a place or two?
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. Two more questions for you.
Yep.
What are the things that you love about trucking right now, and what are some of the things that you hate about trucking that you'd want to change?
What I love about trucking is that, the freedom. You have your, I'm an operator, so kind of I make my own schedule, and Intercity gives me a cars, of course, and it's up to me to schedule everything. But if I want to take a day off, I can. And what I don't like about trucking is, all the young guys don't have respect for the industry. You know, it's I think it's, you know, like us, it's you know, it's a way of life. The new guys, and not all of them, some of them, you know, they have no respect, and that's probably one of the things I don't like about trucking.
Yeah, I would have to agree. I was speaking with a gentleman earlier that he has 50 and a half years of trucking.
Yes, sir.
And one of the things that he mentioned was just, you know, for folks to gain some wisdom is finding older guys that have been driving or guys with experience. And I think some of the new folks that you're talking about, they weren't given that exposure to guys that have decades of you know, in trucking or on the road. So they really don't know, they don't have a gauge or a barometer as far as, you know, how to be, what to do, how to treat folks. They're probably just going off of what they know.
Right.
Whereas guys like where I talked about earlier, he was trained by somebody else that had decades in trucking, or his father. And so he was trained and raised up with that level of respect compared to what the folks you're talking about have now.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you talking on camera.
Yes, sir.
And I'm glad that you put the truck in and you got here and everything else.
Yeah.
And good luck on judging.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you.
Yeah.